Hi, I'm Brian Lober and welcome to MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut. Today I'm standing in front of our brand new 2020 Sea Ray SDX 270 with the Mercury V8 outboard engine. This is a brand new color for 2020. Sea Ray's Quanta Blue and it's absolutely gorgeous. This Sea Ray has Mercury's naturally aspirated V8 engine. This is packing 300 horsepower and is very fuel efficient and quiet. It's so easy to check and maintain your oil. Pop the top. Here's your dipstick. You can check your oil and fill if need be. Very simple design, yet groundbreaking. Right in front of us here, we have the aft-facing seating on the transom. Beautiful place to lounge, hang out for the day. Pop up the cushions, and we have access to a ton of storage underneath. Here at the helm, we have a fully glass inlaid display. It's a 9-inch Simrad. What you're gonna find here is your chart plotter and all your engine telemetry for the Mercury outboard. Looking down to the left, we have our inlaid Fusion stereo system, along with all our operational switches. A nice clean layout goes with the sleek design of the whole Sea Ray boat. To the port side, we have a large head area, extra counter space in there, some storage, as well as the sink. The bow of the Sea Ray was designed to offer as much seating as possible. The SDX has a bit of a squared off bow. Again, this was made so you can sit as many people comfortably as possible up here. Perfect place for a bow table. Again, entertainment was in mind here. For more information on this beautiful 2020 Sea Ray 270 SDX with the outboard, come on down to MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut, or reach us by phone at 860-399-5581. Thank you.